In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a passkey on Samsung phone. This is an essential skill that provides an extra layer of security for your personal data. So, let's get started. First, we need to open the settings on your Samsung phone. You can do this by locating the Settings app, which usually looks like a gear icon, on your home screen or app drawer. If you can't find it immediately, try using the search function at the top of your app list. Once you have opened the settings, take a moment to look through the various options available. This will be your control center for customizing and securing your device. From there, navigate to Security by tapping on Security and Privacy. This section is crucial as it houses all the security features that protect your phone. By accessing this area, you are taking an important step towards securing your digital life. Now tap on More Security Settings. This option dives deeper into the security features available on your phone. Here you can find advanced options that allow you to fine-tune your device's protection. It's like having a personal security expert right in your pocket. Next up, open the Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill section. This area is where you can manage how your phone handles passwords and passkeys. It's important because it centralizes all your credentials, making it easier and safer to manage them. Take a moment to explore the options available here, as they can significantly enhance your security. Once you're in, choose the service that suits you best. You can select either Samsung Pass or Google Password Manager. Both services are reliable and offer a seamless experience. Make sure the service you choose is turned on. This ensures that your phone is ready to handle passkeys and adds an extra layer of convenience to your login process. Now let's talk about why this matters. Passkeys are a modern solution that simplifies and secures your login process. While not all apps and websites support passkeys yet, they are becoming increasingly common. This means you're preparing for the future of secure logins. At this point, you have the option to verify your identity using your fingerprint or face recognition. This step is optional but highly recommended. It adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your passkeys. If you choose to enable this, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You will notice a confirmation appear, reassuring you that everything is set up correctly. With that ready, you'll be logged in automatically when you visit apps and websites that support passkeys. This feature not only enhances security, but also saves you time by eliminating the need to remember complex passwords. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your digital life. Thank you for watching today. Setting up a passkey on your Samsung phone is a straightforward but powerful way to secure your online identity. Remember, taking the time now to enhance your security can save you from potential headaches in the future. Keep exploring and stay secure.